Today I tried the Pixel 7 Pro macro videos we got in June 23 feature drop on a 1.3 million dirhams timepiece from Jacob & Co. This is the Bugatti Chiron edition from Jacob & Co. This watch has a tiny engine that mimics the real one found in the supercar Bugatti Chiron. This tiny engine is not just a mock-up, but it actually moves. Most smartphone cameras support macro photos, which give an insane close look at things. But what about seeing these things moving? So let me share my experience with the Pixel 7 Pro macro videos to capture the internals of this insanely luxurious timepiece from Jacob & Co. This is a 1.3 million dirhams watch,
Yeah.
right? Wow.
6-piece limited.
It's 6-piece limited? It's insanely good. I will start by capturing the engine, but let me give you a quick brief on how it works. When you push this button, the engine will move for 20 seconds and then stops, and it has nothing to do with the time. So if you want to enjoy how it looks, just push the button. Other than this, it will stay still. But all other parts are continuously moving, like the floating tourbillon at the top, which we will take a closer look at as well. So now everything is ready. The 7 Pro is attached to a tripod. The macro focus is always on, the watch is less than 5 centimeters away, and I'm only relying on the store lights. And now let's push the button to enjoy the details. And look at this. Beside how amazing the engine moves to mimic the real one, but look at the amount of details you can see in this video. I feel like I'm a tiny little person sitting inside the watch looking at what's going on around me. Not only this, but the 7 Pro managed to pick the engine sound. So let me play the video one more time and listen closely. I didn't see this coming. I'm not only able to see the tiniest level of detail, but I can also hear it. Now let me show you more videos for the engine from different angles. So if you are a watch enthusiast like me, you will definitely enjoy seeing them. This side is like insane. It's moving here. Now it's time to take a closer look at the tourbillon and the other parts. The tourbillon movement is very satisfying to look at from a close distance. Not only this, but the watch has shock absorbers, the exhaust, tons of gears, and unbelievable attention to details from Jacob & Co. The paint and the cutouts are perfect, and how things attach together makes this video a joyful experience. The only downside is the amount of noise and the grain the 7 Pro produces, which is one of the known issues about Pixel phones. If this video was cleaner, I would have enjoyed it even more. I also tried the Epic X skeleton watch with a tourbillon to show you how this amazing piece moves from the backside. So these are all the videos I wanted to show you, and now let's end my journey in the store. So guys, I would like to thank Zafar and Jacob & Co for letting me in.
It's always a pleasure. It's always a pleasure. You're welcome.
So that was my experience with the Pixel 7 Pro macro videos in Jacob & Co store. And I was really impressed by the level of details showing in the video, and also the ability to hear the sound of the moving parts inside the watch. I'm pretty sure that this feature will allow you to create amazing videos. For example, I tried it on my laptop screen and I was able to see the individual pixels, giving me this really cool retro look without the need to have any special equipments or lenses. So I'm curious to see how people will use it in the future, and if you have anything to share, please leave me a comment or reach me out on social media. But for now, thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.